Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
A little boy sat outside, watching the other children playing with a ball and sticks. It looked like they were having so much fun. They were all wearing nice new clothes, but his clothes were old and torn.
I wish my Baba was still alive. He would have bought me new clothes and shoes. Then I could also play with the other kids,
he said as he began to cry. Prophet Muhammad was walking by and spotted the sad little boy. He sat down next to the boy and gave him a big hug. The Prophet asked the little boy,
"Why are you crying?"
The boy replied,
I don't have a Baba.
Tears rolled down his cheeks.
There is no one to take care of me, and sometimes the other boys make fun of me.
When the Prophet heard this, he felt very sad. He started crying too. He hugged the boy tighter and kissed him on the forehead. He told the boy,
"Don't feel sad. From now on, I'll be your Baba, and my daughter Fatima will be your sister."
The boy suddenly started smiling. He was so happy. He grabbed the Prophet's hand and ran to the other children, shouting,
Hey everyone, I have a new Baba, and he is the best Baba in the whole world.
Prophet Muhammad smiled and took the little boy to his daughter Lady Fatima's house. When he entered Lady Fatima's house, he said,
"Salamun alaykum, my dear daughter Fatima."
Lady Fatima smiled and replied,
Wa alaikum salam.
The Prophet pointed to the little boy and said,
"This little boy is my new son and your new brother. Please take very good care of him."
Lady Fatima smiled and replied,
Of course, my dear father.
She gave the boy some new clothes to wear. She combed his hair and gave him some sweet dates to eat. She then called out to her sons.
Hasan and Hussain, please come sit with my new brother.
The three boys sat together and ate the yummy dates. As they ate, they had a lot of fun talking and laughing. The boy felt so blessed. He had the best Baba, sister, and brothers in the whole world. He thanked Allah for loving and taking care of him.